Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Study Quest. Today is 22nd August 2025, and the video is about Assam Tribune editorial, where our target is APSC means 2025. This video is very useful for your GS2 Polity and Governance, and in this video, I have framed a question from this editorial. So let's see what the video is all about. So here is the article on 22nd August 2025, and it is written by Dr. Dipankar Devobroto. So he wrote about the citizens' role in democracy. So let's see what he said. So a society's future rests on informed participation of citizens to elect leaders of competence, character, and compassion and vision. So this is what he said in the article. You can go through the article. I have framed a question from this article. Let's see what the question is all about, and I have given a model answer for my question. Here is the question that I have framed for GS paper 2 Polity and Governance. So the question is, in a democracy, the role of citizens goes beyond casting votes during elections. Discuss how responsible citizenship strengthens democratic institutions and ensures accountability. Illustrate. So please ignore the background because some work are going on. That's why the sound is there. So the question is all about the role of citizens and the and their role is not just casting votes, but they have some wider roles in a democracy. So let me know in the comment section what is your views in these matters. So let's start. So this is the introduction that I have made. So it is all about that democracy is not merely a system of governance, but a way of life where citizens are both the foundation and the guardians of democratic values. So while elections provide legitimacy to the governments, the vibrancy of democracy actually depends on the active, informed, and responsible participation of its citizens in all the spheres of public life. So this is what I have written in my introduction. And yeah, one more thing that I want to mention here, that if you want me to know a few tips and tricks for the APSC related APSC mains or prelims, then do let me know in the comment section. So this is my second attempt this year, and last year I gave my first attempt, and in the first attempt I had written means, but unfortunately I couldn't cleared my means exam. So let me know if you want to know in a video related to this topic. Okay, coming back to the question. So here is the introduction that I gave, and it's all about the in a concise way I have described how citizens are the foundation of a democracy. So let's see what I have written in the body part. So in the body, I have written the role of citizens in strengthening democracy. So first point that I have written is political participation beyond voting. So first is engaging in debates, policy discussions, and grassroots movements. For example, active role of citizens in movements like Right to Information campaign led to the RTI Act 2005. Then second thing that I have mentioned is about ensuring accountability and transparency. First is that citizens acting as watchdogs through public scrutiny, social audits, and use of digital platforms. For example, MG Narega social audits in states like Andhra Pradesh exposed corruption and improved implementation. So like this you can give other examples also. So this is what I have written in the accountability and transparency part. Next is civic responsibility and social harmony. So respecting diversity, then promoting inclusivity, and avoiding hate based politics is what a citizen can do. So for example, community driven initiatives like COVID-19 in India, where citizens voluntarily helped migrants and poor. Then next is legal and ethical citizenship. So obeying laws, then paying taxes, conserving public resources, and protecting the environment. Then here also the example is citizen-led initiatives like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So mass participation in waste management and cleanliness drives. Then another thing that I have mentioned is about the democratic vigilance and protest. So peaceful protest and dissent strengthen democracy by holding governments accountable. For example, the India Against Corruption movement 2011 highlighted citizen power in demanding systematic reforms. Okay, next is challenges in responsible citizenship. So always there, whenever you write an answer, there is most of the questions have some challenges, some risk factor, so you have to mention that also. Although the in the question it is not mentioned that give the challenges or give the risk factors etc, but you have to mention them. So first is challenges in responsible citizenship. So what are the challenges? First is rising apathy and low political literacy. Then influence of misinformation and fake news. We know about the WhatsApp news, right? Then vote bank politics leading to narrow identities and declining trust in institutions. And at last, the way forward, that is strengthening civic education and awareness, is important. That encouraging participatory governance through e-democracy platforms, then we can promote social capital, volunteerism, and community action. And we can also strengthening legal frameworks for transparency, example Lokpal, then whistleblower protection, etc. So finally, and at last, the conclusion part. So, democracy thrives when citizens transform from passive voters to active stakeholders. A responsible citizen ensures accountability, inclusivity, and justice, thereby making democracy not just a form of government but a lived reality. As Mahatma Gandhi said, the spirit of democracy is not a mechanical thing to be adjusted by abolition of forms, it ensures change of the heart. So with that, I'm going to end today's video. I hope you like the video. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel and we will meet in the next video.